In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Elementor AI site planner. In order to do that, first thing you need to do is to head over to elementor.com. From in there, you can click onto this Get Started option that you can see right here or right here in order to get started and create an account for yourself. But if you already have an account, you can click on this login option wherein it will prompt you to the login part wherein you can just input your credentials such as your username, email, as well as your password. Or you can also sign in using these options right here for the social account in order to skip authentication. So this is what my Elementor looks like. As you can see, it's hosted by WordPress right here. If you wish to use the actual Elementor's AI site planner, you can click onto this create website option. And in here, you can see the pricing. So you can either host for WordPress or host for WooCommerce. In this case, just choose which one you wish to use. And on my case, I have hosted using WordPress as indicated by my previous website that we have seen earlier. Now, if you wish to use the AI Site Planner, you can click onto this Try Site Planner option right here, and it will open this on a new tab. The actual URL is planner.elementor.com/home. And in here you can see this. You can either start with AI chat or use an AI note taker. I'll choose an AI chat and it will actually converse me for the things that I wish to use. So you can give answers on the site name. So for example, let's put in here Sunset Hotel. Send it. And then once it's been sent, it will ask you another question. So in here, just head over and then write in here the actual brief for your actual account. And once you're done, click onto this use this brief option in order to generate an account or a website using this particular details that you have provided. So that's how you use the new Elementor AI site planner. Hope we helped.